All right, so the auto invisible layer extension for SketchUp has been depreciated, and that's because it is now part of the native features of SketchUp as of 2025. So if we go over here to, when we have our tags window open, if we go over to here to this little menu button and we click it, by default it shows new tag in scene. So if you add a new tag, we'll say new tag 1. All right, so now if we go change the scene, new tag 1 is still on every scene. So if we go back over here and we click this, and so it's unchecked, so now show new tags and scenes is unchecked, and we add a new tag, so we'll say new tag 2. So now if we change scenes, new tag 2 is not on in every single scene. So that works very much like the old extension. Now you can add tags without adding it to every single scene, and then select which scene you want to add that tag to by updating the scene.